So one of my favorite people in life right beside me. Sometimes I can't take her still quietly, but and then there's my next favorite person over there.
Yeah,
So.
you know, we're not going to fight him for now, we're not promote that way.
So we're just hours away from one of the biggest and most authentic reggae shows on earth. This morning, Queen Africa and communications specialist, Strictly Roots Water, Rosie Murray, are here to tell us what to expect at this year's staging. First thing to expect is I is a special guest.
Yes, I'm working on my set.
There you go. My sisters.
One surprise out the way.
My sisters, good morning.
Good morning.
Rosie, I'm going to start with you because this is the second year you guys are involved as sponsor.
Yes.
Tell me first about what it is and why you guys wanted to be a part of the show.
Okay, so we know that water is life, okay? And we know that our intake of water is important for our well-being and our mentality and all that sort of a thing. See? Trust me, she know about it, man. So we conceptualize this because this is now not just water with Gyo and whole heap of drama, but this is real Blue Mountain Gyo, real Blue Mountain spring water.
Okay.
It's good for you.
Yeah.
You know that the Whirlwind Group, we've been involved in Jamaican culture for a long time. You know, we're involved in plays, you know, about with Slow Wine, you know, about House of Dancehall. And because we have this very clean product, we thought that this would be the right kind of partnership. Now, it's really ironic that I'm here with Queen Africa because we had a play called Take Your Hand Off of Me, that the song...
Her song.
Well, she actually sang the song, and we got a nomination for Best Song of the Year that year in Actor Boys Award. So it's kind of a coming together, like she said, a good energy.
I agree with that.
You know, man, drink some, sip some of the water. Someone said to me,
no,
them say when them drink the water, them feel like all of the stuff that them did put in the same system are wash away.
Nice and fresh, man.
It is actually.
Yeah, for
fantastic.
real.
Queen.
Yes, never you don't know today, you know, and later, you know.
Yes.
So me I beg you to start the interview by saying, all Fontana pharmacies, the ticket outlets, get the pre-sold ones them seeing. This is the greatest thing about our country is that is a natural show that deals with the healthier aspect in terms of everything from food to feeling. So the staging is starting tonight. But one of the things that we want to highlight, though, is that on Saturday night, we're asking patrons to come out very early, like 5:30 early, because in the herb curb, we'll have the Honorable Julius Garvey.
Yes, that's our guest.
Giving his view on marijuana and the benefits medicinally of that. And we'll be also doing cooking marijuana. So we'll have cuisines, including marijuana in it that you'll never imagine that you could include marijuana in these types of meals and have them tasting so good. So that's going to be in the earlier hours of Saturday. So we're asking patrons to come out like from 5:30. So it is awesome. I'm always humbled and honored to come and sit on this forum this time of the year to be a part of something that is so amazing. I mean, I don't want to talk about the bad about what's happening in Jamaica. So this is something that's good and has constantly been good about
for 26 years.
For 26 years. So, you know, we're just encouraging everyone who never been before, those who make the trek every year, get your tickets, get your nice clothes and stuff.
So, and step
head
on.
out this evening. We're starting 7 sharp, and we want to see people coming out. We just see Moses Davis a while ago, you know, saying on Saturday night. So yeah, we're looking forward to Tony Rebel tonight. We're looking forward to Toots. We're looking forward to
Steel Paul, David Hyde.
Don't want me the paper, cause I'm not afraid. We're looking forward to Steel Pulse tonight. We're looking forward to Queen Omega. Bobby Wine is on the island, and we all know who Bobby Wine is by now. He's the next president of
leader of the opposition.
He's the leader officially. Good morning, Bobby. Yeah. So he's here in Jamaica. All who want to see him can come out and make sure. So Leroy Civils will be there. Terry Linen, when we not here sing for this long time, we'll be singing also tonight. So, you Jack Radix, and we have Trisha from Kenya. She's such a beautiful girl, her first time to Jamaica. Me love, as a part of it, me love Rebel Salute, and as a patron,
Yes.
Me love Rebel Salute over the years, and I know everyone watching love Rebel Salute as well. There's not a lot to sell about this event because it has always lived up to the expectation of everyone. So before let me look again if me I left out anything.
And it gets bigger and better every year.
Yeah, man. Everything mentioned. So all the ticket outlets, Fantana, you can come to the office at 56 Kenil Drive and also get tickets there. And where else again me I left out now for tickets?
You know why I love her? I know me even ask her that question. No, I'll be say I'll be say queen. That's all I'm saying. We just say queen.
Me know how to stay with it.
You done?
The time.
No, me don't ask something else. I go on.
Yeah, I'm not done yet either. No, we really want to welcome Dr. Julius Garvey because guess what? We've partnered with him and we're going to be making a donation from the proceeds from the sale of Strictly Roots will go into the Garvey Institute for Human Development, which is going to be kicking off in 2020.
Awesome.
So we welcome him, and this is going to be, you'll be hearing lots more about that, but we're really thrilled to be a part of Rebel Salute this year, and we look forward to 2 awesome nights of just total deliciousness and cuisine, and drinking Strictly Roots water.
And all you other potential, I know what a little bit, we have to big up Strictly Roots there. There are other sponsors as well that we have to big up. One of them, namely, Courts come off the top of my head, corporate entities.
She's sending, the court sending 20 people to
Yes,
Rebel
so,
Salute.
you know, we just want to say, corporate entities, look at Rebel Salute, see what we're doing, see that it is about the holistic part of who we are. So we big up all sponsors who take the time out to be a part of this great event. Tourist Board, big up yourself, always contributing towards Rebel Salute. All the other sponsors that I'm not able to mention right now, your love and appreciation of what Rebel Salute does is always accepted and also appreciated as well. And thank you all for coming on board over and over again. And to the new ones, them look here, no make we have to call on the next year start. You see what I'm saying? There's no say a Rebel Salute thing and we have to support it.
What can we expect from Queen Ifrica?
Queen Ifrica now is a whole nother case for Rebel Salute because even if I say I don't want to perform, it's like, you're mad? So it's all about, I love music. So when I come on stage and I see the audience, I have some brand new song, especially for all the man that we are chop off a dancer.
Oh, jeez.
I have a brand new thing.
Give me a piece of one.
All right, me love you. My baby father, me love you. Me really just love you. You don't hear me say me love you. But me give her something but 3 times. When me did ask for some me time, money never did there, you rock everything, and me really did feel for some meat kind excuses, don't really go and fix things. The 2 of us right now are victims. Me should have tell you from the day when we meet, say me and one girl will just love things, you should have borrow no car if you come look me. That the kind of just shaky. If me didn't know, then you would have get nothing kind of walk foot, boy can't date me. I love you.
I should feel dead. Yes. She feel car. So feel have bike. That can work.
That can work. I can move around. Right. You know, you ain't getting around the place also. So yes, Saturday night as well. We can Anthony B, Mikey Spice, Beanie Man, Chronic Law, me have to big him up, babes. Because you don't know, them youth, they are the acted set as a youth them nowadays. But yet still, Rebel Salute again provides a stage that this youth can come on, feel comfortable to sing his good songs. So people can say, yes, you have artists that does the derogatory things, but they can also come to a Rebel Salute and make a clean, nice presentation. So we have Louis Culture over the year. We have Mortimer again as a next upcoming youth. Because we love to. I like my son, Imaruta Farka, and then I say, hey, one, mommy, not call my name. So big up my firstborn, Imaruta Farka. He's also going to be there on stage.
As you say, you know the thing.
Yeah. Let me see it already. So. Everything say we're
stop that. No, man, you're done.
All right, finish off it nice.
I have a final question now.
Yes.
Because everybody use them birth name, but you still use Queen Ifrica. Why?
Because really and truly, Queen Ifrica was my name before stage show. Like, you know, we didn't hear some before we're going to music business. So, you can call it an unofficial name for real, because it was my name before I even started.
Always good to see you. I love you.
Love you too, baby. And love you guys.
Aww, good to be here.
See you now, Rebel Salute.
Stop, no. How you get the name Queen Africa, man?
Rasta is, we don't call women, we don't, in a Rasta, we don't say, lady and miss and them something. There's queens and empresses and daughter. And so we might say sister. So in my case, we did have a king man at the time, dumb time there. Yeah, we get the title Queen. And then my mother named me Africa. So it's Africa spelled. So I don't know what I talk about Africa, Africa. So it's really Africa spelled with an I. So let me get quick.
Africa.
Yeah, so my mother is Aita. My stepdad was Aya, my sister Isis, my brother Isa, the donkey Ibrew, and you have our next one in here, Icom.
Donkey.
Yes, girl, we have 2 donkeys. One here Ibrew and one here Icom. Don't play.
Me have a dog named Detectivator.
All right, you see what I tell you? That's something about who we are as Jamaicans.
Anything we lost, him find it. Ow!
That
Fantastic.
Was nice. Yeah, man.
Check it out tonight and tomorrow. Remy Salute 27th staging.
Yeah,
absolutely amazing. And it's a 2-day festival of all kinds of different things.
Yes.
All right? Enjoy it. Reggae artist, Queen Africa.
Oh.
And communication specialist, Strict Roots Rosemore. Where they up mean now?
I just we Jamaican that up, you know what I mean?
Say, but wait, mean?
It just mean
Everything
up.
positive,
Energy,
positive.
vibes, up, who want down? Come on now.
Everything up.
All right, up. We soon come up.
Fun.